Hello everyone, I would like to review this tire inflator portable air compressor that was gifted to me by the brand to make an honest review. First thing I want to mention is how well everything was packed. This package includes tire inflator, extension hose, Type-C charging cable, two tapered nozzles, ball inflation needle, valve adapter, and a storage bag. This air compressor has high-capacity rechargeable batteries, gives long-lasting use on a single charge. It can inflate up to 15 car tires, 80 bike tires, 30 motorcycle tires, or 100 basketballs on a single charge. One more cool thing that it has, a flashlight, 3 LED modes. Also has a red light for emergency. It's powerful and very compact. Very easy to use. It comes with a smart digital display showing real-time and target pressure. My favorite part is that it has 5 preset modes: car, motorcycle, bike, ball, and custom. Makes it very easy to work with. It weighs less than 1 pound. I like that it includes a storage bag. It helps keep all the pieces organized. This would make a perfect gift for a driver or somebody that likes to ride a bicycle. Perfect air pump for all adventures. I highly recommend this product.